वेलकम टू प्रिंस शोडन हाउस। हरियाणा एंड पंजाब हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ के लिए हम डिक्टेट कर रहे हैं 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट, जिसकी पीडीएफ हम आपको 2 दिन बाद देंगे। और आपके लिए ट्रायल पैसेज है, आप लिखने के बाद ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिए और अपना चेक कर लीजिए। उसके बाद 2 दिन बाद जब हमारी पीडीएफ डलेगी तो उससे आप चेक करके अपना लेवल आपको पता लगेगा कि स्किल टेस्ट के लिए आपको कितनी तैयारी की ज़रूरत है। अपने चेक करते वक्त कोमा, फुल स्टॉप, कैपिटल लेटर एटसेट्रा टोटल मिस्टेक्स आपको निकालनी है, जिससे आपको अपनी परफॉर्मेंस पता लगे और प्रैक्टिस कैसे और कितनी करनी है ये आपको भविष्य के लिए देखना। और टेस्ट नवंबर या दिसंबर में होने ही वाला है, ऐसी उम्मीद की जा रही है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। रेडी, स्टार्ट। Sir, the development and maintenance of national highways is fully financed by the central government, as this function is included in the Union list of the 7th schedule of the Constitution. The national highways system, covering length of about 32,000 kilometers, is the main artery of road transport in the country. Though constituting only 2% of the total road length, it bears more than 1/3 of the total freight transport by road in the country. Under Section 5 of the National Highways Act 1956, the Government of India is empowered to entrust the function of development and maintenance of any national highways to any authority under the central or state government, in pursuance thereof. Field activities such as survey, investigations and preparation of projects, award and supervising of works have been entrusted to state government. The central government have been looking after to the other aspects like planning, approval of designing and estimate, standardization, monitoring, etc. This system is commonly known as agency system, since the state government are paid agency charges presently amounting to 9% of the expenditure incurred by them on works executed on national highway system. The agency system of execution of national highways has not worked satisfactorily. There are large scale disparities in the condition and level of maintenance of national highways passing through different states on account of varying system of working and levels of competence and diligence in different states on account of poor project preparation, lack of adequate attention to quality control, non-development of contracting industry because of the system of splitting of works into small components, large scale cost overruns, excessive expenditure looked on works without sanction of revised estimates, non-development of expert cadre for highway sector because of combined cadres working on building roads and other civil engineering activities and frequent transfers, changes and posting of personnel, adequate maintenance of highways, large scale urban development, excessive loading of vehicles due to lack of control and lack of functional discipline. The management of funds allotted to the states has not generally been carried out in an optimum manner, resulting in spurt of expenditure in the last months of the financial year. The center has no direct administrative control over the executive agency. This usually leads to delays and non-achievement of targets laid down for the execution of the instruction of national highways. There have been anomalous situations when central government, being constitutionally responsible, had to defend as fate accomplished certain actions of the agents in various forums such as Parliament, PAC, etc., even when not actually convinced about the explanations given by the executing agencies. Similarly, the center generally has no input development of suitable staff, fixation and operation of even major contracts, arbitration cases, payment of compensation to contractors over and above the original contract amounts and other items, resulting in direct financial commitment of central funds. A number of measures have been suggested from time to time for improving working of the agency system without any substantial result. In this background, it was considered essential to set up an authority so that all the activities of the development and maintenance could come under a unified agency. If is proposed that this authority should take over the function presently being carried out by the State Public Works Department in a phased manner. The salient features of the proposed National Highways Authority are that it will be functional body consisting of a chairman, 5 full-time members and 4 part-time members. The central government shall vest in the authority all properties and other assets vested in it under section 4 of the National Highways Act 1956 in respect of the national highways, the management of which is transferred to the authority. The authority shall have powers to acquire land under the provisions of Land Acquisition Act 1895 or of any corresponding law for the time being in force. The authority will have powers to enter into and perform any contract up to a value prescribed by the Government of India. The central government will provide capital and also advance grants to the authority for efficient discharge of its function. The main function of the authority shall be to develop, maintain and manage the national highways and any other highways which will be vested in it by the government. The authorities will also develop and provide consultancy and construction service in India and abroad and carry out research activities in the field. The authority may also collect a fee on behalf of the central government for services rendered in relation to the use of ferries and projects. Resources can be had through non-conventional source of funding like floating of bonds, and the resources so raised could be invested in selected viable toll-based facilities. It is hoped that by setting up the National Highways Authority of India, it will be possible to develop in more efficient manner in the best interests of this country. स्टॉप प्लीज आप ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के बाद ईमानदारी से चेक कीजिए और हर गलती को अपनी नोट कीजिए, और किसी स्टूडेंट को कोई स्पीड बढ़ाने में या कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है स्किल में, या जैसे कोई क्वेश्चन किसी का है तो मेरे से आप पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू।